Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key the Realtor from PG, coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update, we are covering Wood County, Northeast. That's area, MLS area 56. It's north of US 6, east of State Route 25, and excludes areas 53, 54, and 55. So let me show you where that is exactly. So north of US 6, east of 25, which is right this way. And it excludes, obviously, Bowling Green, Ohio. So it includes Grand Rapids, Tontogany, Haskins, Seago, so on and so forth, in this great market. So let's get back to it. I'd like to start things off with new listings in this market. So this year versus last year, same time, we are seeing 6 new listings versus 5. Which is an improvement, albeit 1 new listing this year versus last year, but it's still an improvement. However, pending sales have also increased by 400%. No, that is not a typo, folks. That is just how hot the market is right now. We have 10 pending sales and 5 closed sales, which are about neck and neck with the same as last year. Days on market has significantly gone down. And I wouldn't read too much into these just because there's only been 5. That could just be one house that we're sitting on the market for over a year that's skewing these numbers. But what I do like to look at is inventory of homes for sale, and that's currently 11. For the whole market, for all of northeast Wood County, there's 11 homes for sale, which is driving the month supply of inventory way down. A market that's equilibrium should be at about 4 to 6 months worth of inventory. That means there's equal parts buyers to sellers, which means that pricing stays about flat. When things dip this low, what we're likely to see is average prices to go up. Now, even though those numbers are not reflexive in November and not reflexive in the year through the end of November, year over year, again, because there's such few new listings, these numbers are not an accurate gauge. If last year we had a blend that was in the $300,000 range, and this year we have a blend that's in the $200,000 range, this can easily skew these numbers down. But what is kind of concerning is we're still not seeing the new listings that we need to see. So folks, if you have property that you've been contemplating selling in Wood County Northeast, now's the time. Let's get these things on the market. Let's get them sold. Let's make you some money. Let's make you real happy. Okay, because what the market is doing, and this is past 10 years of the median home sale prices for this market, and we have seen a huge influx, especially from 2014 to 2020. The past 5 years have done crazy things in this market. If you are a seller, expect multiple offers, especially if you're priced well. Make sure that you have the home staged to buyer's tastes, and make sure that you have some great photographs, because I promise you, photos help sell homes. 360 degree tours are also very helpful in today's market. In fact, a good agent that has solid photography, a solid marketing plan for you, on average has been shown to get you 12% more than you could have gotten on your own. So even though agents cost money, you're still netting way more than an agent will have ever cost you as a seller. And as a buyer, please take advantage of my resources. My lenders are quoting people below 3% interest rates. That's below 3% interest rates. So take advantage of my resources. Let's have a conversation. Let's see what we can do to help you make the best deal possible in 2021, because one thing I can almost guarantee, folks, is the interest rates that we have today, they will not be around for very long. When we are spending the kind of money that we're spending without receiving any money in return, one thing is likely to happen, and that's higher interest rates for possibly as soon as 2021, maybe not. It could go into 2022. So let's try to make a deal this year, and let's make 2021 the best year ever. This has been Jim T. with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. If you have found this report to be helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any future reports. I thank you for watching, and I hope you and your family has a great holiday season this year.